on menu. Tonight's special, the real score between Maha Salvador, Direk Paul Soriano, and Tony Gonzaga. On top of the heels of their upcoming movie, Thelma, Direk Paul Soriano, and lead star Maha Salvador have been thrown in a web of controversies. Cats had a field day when rumors came out that Direk Paul and Maha were allegedly having romantic ties. Cinema News caught up with Direk Paul and Maha during the press con of Thelma.
Nakakatawa lang kasi every time may film na ipapalabas, parang kung hindi ka malilink sa ka-love team mo, since wala kasi ako ka-love team dito, na si Jason kasi konti lang din kasi parang special participation si Jason. Sa director ko naman po ako na-link, na ang sabi ko po, sana puro positive na lang yung ibigay na issue dito sa Thelma. Kasi yung film super positive po kasi, tsaka isa pa, malaking respeto po kay Tony Gonzaga at hindi naman po ako gumagawa ng pelikula para makipaglandian.
The press was surprised to see the usually tough young actress break down amidst the issues thrown at her.
Para sa akin, ang dami kasing intriga na binibigay sa akin, parang hindi ko nauubusan. Parang halos lahat, lagi may boys, ganyan, lasinggera, parang lahat ako, parang binigay sa akin yung intriga. So,
parang,
emotional na yan.
Kaya mo ba, anong part ba yung
Sobrang masakit sa loob. Ang pangit po talaga eh. Lalo na, alam mo wala kang ginagawa masama. Alam mo nagtatrabaho ka, nagpapakahirap ka para gawa ng magandang pelikula. Tapos, magandang po na ang issue na ibibigay sa'yo. Playgirl, lasinggera, tapos yan. Eto, inaagaw ko yung boyfriend ko, isang katrabaho ko. Masyado na. Masyado na. Tinatapakan na masyado yung pagkatao. Tao lang din po ako nasasaktan. Hindi bakit artista. Yung nakita gusto.
Despite all the negative controversies, Maha tries to stay positive and be thankful of all the blessings she's receiving.
I'm very happy po sa mga naging results na career ko ngayon. Super happy po. Dahil daming blessings na dumadating ko sa akin. Ipaproduce pa na ako ng concert ko. Hindi, one of my dreams po kasi yan eh, yung mag-concert din ako. Kasi after po kasi minsan lang kita ibigin, I'm planning to take voice lessons po. Kasi yun nga po, para kahit pa paano, medyo may iba naman kayo makita sa akin.
And here's one positive thing on this issue. Maha says she's also very excited about the possibility of attending an international film festival in Hawaii, where her film, Thelma, was chosen to compete.
Sana payagan na po ng unit ni Sir Leo and my manager, Mr. Emilis Mariol, to attend the festival on October. Kasi first time po international. Grabe, isa yan sa mga gusto kong ma-experience ko na dalhin yung pelikula natin mga Pilipino sa ibang bansa.
From Maha, we move on to the director of the R, Paul Soriano, as he shares his side of the story.
It's unfortunate that I linked myself with Maha because that issue is just really left field. It's not definitely far off. And maybe the reason why she's so emotional about it is because she worked so hard on the film. She gave basically everything she's got to become Thelma. And maybe that's the reason why she feels emotional, is because she wants people to focus on the film, on her character Thelma, and the preparation she did, and the workshop she did, and the shooting and all that stuff, rather than false rumors about linking me and her together.
When asked for the reason why other people thought of linking him to Maha, Paul had this to say.
So yeah, of course, the working relationship, we got close. I got to know a lot about her and her family. I mean, her mom Thelma, mommy Thelma, I got to meet her family. So in that regard, yeah, we got close. But I look at her really like a little sister. What I feel bad is, see, Maha feels bad. I feel bad because Maha feels bad. She's growing up. She's still young, and she doesn't need that right now. And so maybe, yeah, I feel bad for her, but
all for Tony's reaction when she learned of the rumors.
When Tony found out about it, she just told me, welcome to showbiz. It's inevitable.
Oo nga, kasi sinabi niyo ganun.
Oh, she told me that. They will link you. I mean, even on her leading men, up to this day, everyone knows that we're together, but they link her to her leading men all the time.
Paul admitted that at first it wasn't easy for him to adjust to Tony being linked to other men on film, but as the relationship grew, so did their trust in each other.
4 years of being together, we've never broken that trust. I always tell her trust is very important in a relationship. That's not breaking. So, like I said, I mean, in this business, it's tough to stay in a relationship, especially her, and think she does. But the trust factor is so strong. She works with beautiful men. Diba? She works with Wapo and handsome John Lloyd, Sam Joy, and then Sam Lloyd. It's normal for her to find him attractive. And I will not take that away from her because I also will find girls beautiful. That's common. But at the end of the day, we know we're together. We know the line. We know the limitation. And hanggang on camera lang sila. Pag off camera,
With their relationship withstanding all kinds of rumors and staying strong, is Direk Paul finally ready to settle down with Tony?
I'm turning 30 in October, and so definitely want to settle down in my 30s. Like I said, whenever she's ready, I'm ready.
Sa bilang 5 years pa rin.
Then 5 to 6 years tayo. I mean, I don't want to rush her because if I rush her, baka something will happen in the relationship. I want all of us to agree, and then we take it.
And finally, we come full circle as we caught up with Tony for her final take on the controversy between Maha and Paul.
Wala kami problema ni Maha. Katabi nga kami sa asap ng Sunday. Hindi nga namin pinag-usapan niya. Feeling ko nahiya si Maha i-open up yun. But other than that, walang problema sa amin ni Maha. Wala. This is coming from the heart. Hindi ito yung sasabihin kong okay kami dahil kailangan sa showbiz, okay kami. Mula sa puso ko, walang problema kahit kanino dahil pare-pareho tayo nagtatrabaho at sila po ay nagpapromote ng kanilang pelikula, kami rin ay nagpapromote ng aming pelikula. Kaya walang problema.
That was it for our show. I would like to thank Meg